People are being killed in Rojava and Rojhelat. Today, I speak not because I want to, but because silence has become a crime. While the world scrolls, while the leaders negotiate comfort and power, people are being killed in Rojhelat and Rojava. There's war, there are massacres, there are children who do not wake up in the morning, and their only crime is being Kurdish. Do not call this a conflict. Do not call this politics. This is systematic violence. This is ethnic persecutions. This is a crime against humanity. Homes are bombed, cities are silenced, and voices are erased. And yet, the world asks, where is the proof? The proof is in the graves. The proof is in the displaced families. Now I ask you, how many lives does it take to matter? How many deaths are enough to deserve attention? We do not ask for pity. We demand protection and recognition. And to ordinary people watching this video, your voice matters. Your sharing matters. Your refusal to stay silent matters. This is not a Kurdish issue. This is a human issue. Hear us, see us, and stand with us. Because a world that ignores genocide is a world that invites it again. Thank you.